Hi guys, today we're going to talk about objective 10b, multiply two polynomials using the FOIL method, box method and the distributive property. There are three techniques you can use for multiplying polynomials. First one is distributive property, second one is FOIL method, third one is box method. Here is an example how to multiply 2x plus 3 times 5x plus 8 using distributive property. Multiply the first term 2x with 5x plus 8 and multiply 5x plus 8 with the second term, which is 3. So using the distributive property, 2x times 5x gives you 2 times 5, 10, x times x square, 2 times 8 is 16, x. Then 3 times 5, 15, 15x, 3 times 8, 24. Always remember, you have to multiply both terms. Alright, so then combine the like terms, which is 16x and 15x. Why they are like terms? They have the same variable and same exponent. That gives you 10x squared plus 31x plus 24. A shortcut of the distributive property is called the FOIL method. The FOIL method is only used when you multiply two binomials. It is an acronym and tells you which terms to multiply. Use the FOIL method to multiply the following binomials: y plus 3 times y plus 7. F tells you to multiply the first terms of each binomial, which is y times y, y square. O tells you to multiply the outer terms of each binomial, which is y times 7 or 7y. I tells you to multiply inner terms of each binomial, which is 3 times y, which is 3y. Now, L tells you to multiply the last terms of each binomial, which is 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, first terms, y squared, outer terms, 7y, inner terms, 3y, last terms, 21. Add all of them together. That gives you y squared plus 7y plus 3y plus 21. And combine like terms gives you y squared plus 10y plus 21. Therefore, y plus 3 times y plus 7 is equal to y squared plus 10y plus 21. The third method is the box method. This method works for every problem. Here is how you do it. Multiply 3x minus 5 times 5x plus 2. Draw a box, write a polynomial on the top and side of a box. It doesn't matter which goes where. This will be modeled in the next problem along with FOIL. Multiply 3x minus 5 times 5x plus 2. The first terms are 3x and 5x. So multiply those two gives you 15x squared. The outer terms are negative 5 and 2. So multiply, 3x and 2. So multiply those two gives you 6x. Inner terms are negative 5 and 5x gives you negative 25x. And the last terms are negative 5 and 2, which gives you negative 10. Add, combine like terms, 6x and negative 25x, which gives you 15x squared minus 19x minus 10. So you have three techniques. Pick the one you like the best. Okay, here is the practice problem. Multiply y plus 4 times y minus 3. Here is another practice problem. Multiply 2a minus 3b times 2a plus 4b. Alright, so now let us see. One is here a binomial, the other one is a trinomial. In the earlier we saw both are binomials, but here one is a binomial, other is a trinomial. Trinomial means, tri means three terms. So in the second one we have three terms, so that's why it is a trinomial. Alright, so you cannot use FOIL because they are not both binomials. You must use the distributive property or you can use box method. Let us see first how we can use distributive property here. So the first term is 2x, so multiply entire trinomial with the 2x and multiply entire trinomial with the negative 5. So when you multiply, so 2x times x square gives you 2x cubed. See here, exponent on the x is 1, so 1 plus 2 gives you 3. And 2x times negative 5x is negative 10x square. 2x times 4 is 8x. Negative 5 times x square, negative 5x square. Negative 5 times negative 5 plus 25x. Negative 5 times 4 gives you negative 20. Group and combine like terms. So that gives you 2x cubed minus 10x square minus 5x square plus 8x plus 25x minus 20. Please remember, always carry the sign. So the operation is minus, but the sign before it is negative. So whenever you are moving the terms, carry the sign with that. Okay, so once you simplify, you get 2x cubed minus 15x square plus 33x minus 20. Multiply 2x minus 5 times x square minus 5x plus 4. You cannot use FOIL because they're not both binomials. You must use the distributive property or box method. So here is the box method. So 2x negative 5 x square minus 5x plus 4. So whenever you have minus 5x, write it as negative 5x. Alright, so now multiply 2x times x square gives you 2x cubed. 2x times negative 5x gives you negative 10x times x, which is x square. 2x times 4 gives you 8x. Negative 5 times x square, negative 5x square. Negative 5 times negative 5x, that gives you 25x. Okay, so here it is multiplication. So negative times negative always gives you positive. So it is 25x. Negative 5 times 4 gives you negative 20. Now combine like terms. Okay, negative 5x square plus negative 10x square gives you negative 15x square. 25x plus 8x gives you 33x. So the final answer is 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 33x minus 20. Okay, here is the practice problem. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. So we discussed three methods here. One is box method, FOIL method, distributive property method. Learn any one of the technique properly, and now we are done. Have a wonderful day. Bye.